The following is a screencast demonstration of the district's School Messenger mass call system. This training will help you learn your way around School Messenger so that you can easily broadcast your message. The intent of the training is to equip new users with the primary skills required to quickly and confidently send notification broadcasts. If you're already comfortable with the basic features of the system, then you may want to see the advanced training guide located in the help system. Before you log in and start familiarizing yourself with the system, you should bookmark the login page for your district on any computers that you'll be using to send notifications. You should also write down the address and carry it with you in your wallet or purse. Now that you've bookmarked your login page and have logged into the system, you're ready to take the first step in developing your knowledge of the system. Okay, let's get started. The dashboard. The dashboard is the first screen you see when you log into the system. It gives you a high-level view of the system as well as the ability to quickly send a new broadcast. On it, you'll find the following tools and information. New broadcast. Broadcast templates. Activity summary. First, new broadcast. This is the button to click whenever you want to quickly create a broadcast notification to any combination of destinations. We'll be using this feature to send our first message in this training demonstration. Broadcast templates. Broadcast templates are small, partially configured broadcasts for messages which you might send frequently or wish to have instantly available for emergencies. These are covered in greater detail in the advanced training guide as well as in the Help Online menu. Activity summary. This section gives you an overview of how the system will be used. Creating a new broadcast. This will take you through a simple step-by-step guided process for quickly getting your message sent using the new broadcast button on your dashboard. Click on the orange new broadcast button to get started. This is the first step you'll encounter when creating a new broadcast. Here, you'll enter the subject of your broadcast and build a recipient list. The subject field is the name of your broadcast and will be used on any reports associated with your broadcast. It will also be used to automatically populate the subject line for your email message content. Now, the Add Message Recipients button or menu contains the various options for the various methods to select recipients. Normally, when sending a broadcast, you would either select a list you've already saved by clicking on Saved Recipient List, or create a new list using custom rules. Saved Recipient List. As you use the system and start to accumulate lists you'd like to reuse, this menu option will let you select one of your saved lists. Custom rules. This is the most common way to create a list of recipients. To use this feature, click on Build a List using Rules. With Rules, you are creating filters for specifying groups of recipients from your database. You can add more rules to narrow down your group to be as specific as you like. For the purposes of this training, we will cancel out of this field and ask that you just click the Add Me button shown to the right. If your contact information is not already in the system, click the pencil icon and enter your information. For training purposes, you will be sending a message to yourself only. For example, my number is 248-732-8051. Now we're ready to click the Saved button. Please be advised that to the left of each group of recipients, you'll find three buttons: the X, the cloud button, and the I button. The X lets you remove a set of recipients, the cloud lets you save the group for later, and the I lets you view the actual recipients selected. Step 2. Message content. After adding your contact information, click Continue to move to the next step. Creating message content. The message content step lets you easily create the content for each destination. Alternatively, once you've used the system for a while, you may have some saved messages you'd like to use. Clicking the Load Save Message button will allow you to reuse your saved messages. For training purposes, let's create a simple phone, email, and text broadcast. Let's get started. Add phone. Click the Phone button. Select the Call Me to Record tab in the Voice Type area, as shown to the right. Enter a phone number where the system can call you. Feel free to use the scratch pad to plan what you're going to say. This is just a convenience for you and isn't saved anywhere. Click Call Now to record. And now, again, my number is 248-732-8051. Please be advised that when using an office phone, you may choose to use the option of adding your extension. Let's call now to record. At this time, you should hear your phone ring. It may take just a few moments before your phone begins to ring. When you answer your phone, you will hear the following prompts.
Follow the prompts. Begin speaking immediately after the beep. Press any key to stop recording.
Now you're ready to begin recording your message. Please join Pontiac Academy for Excellence for our parent workshop on Thursday, March 27, 2014 in our elementary school cafe. The workshop begins at 8 a.m. 8 a.m. We will see you there.
Your message will now play back.
Now you're ready to begin recording your message. Please join Pontiac Academy for Excellence for our parent workshop on Thursday, March.
Begin speaking immediately
If you're discontented with your message, you may re-record it. Join Pontiac Academy for Excellence for our parent workshop on Thursday, March 27, 2014. The workshop will be located in our elementary school cafe at 8 a.m. We'll see you there.
Your message will now play back.
Join Pontiac Academy for Excellence for our parent workshop on Thursday, March 27, 2014. The workshop will be located in our elementary school cafe at 8 a.m. We'll see you there.
To save this message, press 1. To replay this, your message has been saved. Thank you. Goodbye.
Click Save Phone Message to return to the message content screen. The system will call you immediately. Simply follow the prompts to record your message, of course. The first language you record is the default language, typically English. After you record your message, you'll see a drop-down menu for recording other languages. You can have the system call you again for each language, or enter a different number to have someone else record the message in another language. For example, you may choose Spanish as an option. Simply enter the number again that you'll be using to record your message, in this case 248-732-8051. Select the Call Now to Record button and be prepared to enter the information in Spanish.
Hello. When you are ready to begin begin recording your message, press 1 and follow the prompts. Begin speaking immediately after the beep. Press any key to stop recording.
Buenos días, señor. Dios le bendiga.
Your message will now play back.
Buenos días, señor. Dios le bendiga.
To save this message, press 1. To replay this, your message has been saved. Thank you. Goodbye.
Now you're ready to save the Spanish version of your message. Simply scroll down and click Save Phone Message. Now, you may notice, or you may have noticed, that there are two options in the voice type area: Call Me to Record and Text to Speech. By default, you will be taken to Call Me to Record. However, if you would like to create your message in multiple languages using machine translation services provided by Google, you should choose Text to Speech to access these options. Messages created with text to speech will be read over the phone by a text to speech voice. You can learn more about recording multilingual messages in the Advanced Training Guide. Okay, now we're ready to continue. Simply save the phone message that you've recorded in Spanish, and we're ready to begin typing our email. Please select the email button. Enter your name in the From Name field. Enter your email address in the From Email field. This is the email address people may reply to you regarding your message. Subject will be populated with the name of your broadcast for your convenience. You may change the subject if you like. You may also include up to 3 attachments with your email message. Enter your email content in the body of the field as you see here. Once you have completed this process, you will want to click Save Email Message when you're done. And now we're ready to send our text message. Add SMS. Click the SMS button. Simply enter your message in the SMS text field. Parent Workshop, 8 a.m. Remembering, of course, there are limited characters in this field. Once you've created your text message, you want to click Save SMS Message when you're done. Now that you've saved your text message, we may continue. It's now time to review and send. At this point, you've created a list of just yourself and a basic message with a phone and email component. Click Continue to move to the Review and Send stage. If everything looks correct, click Send Now. Get ready because you're about to receive your first broadcast message. Please note that when sending your message, instead of selecting Send Now, you may schedule your message to be sent later by pressing the Schedule to Send Later button. Okay, we're scheduling this message to be sent at a later time. The following timeline shows the allowable time range this message can be sent as set by Pioneer Academy for Excellence. We simply select the start date to send this message, 3/27/2014, then specify start and end time by dragging the 2 handles on the slider below to set the corresponding time. Then we click Submit Schedule Message.